The roadside hawk is a relatively small bird of prey found in the Americas. This vocal species is often the most common raptor in its range. It has many subspecies and is now usually placed in the monotypic genus Rupornis instead of Buteo. Description: the roadside hawk is 31 to 41 centimeters long and weighs 250 to 300 grams. Males are about 20% smaller than females, but otherwise the sexes are similar. In most subspecies, the lower breast and underparts are barred brown and white, and the tail has 4 or 5 gray bars. 12 subspecies are usually recognized, and there is significant plumage variation between these. Depending on the subspecies involved, the roadside hawk is mainly brown or gray. It is fairly common to observe a touch of rufous on the bird's wings, especially when seen in flight. Its call is a very high-pitched, piercing squeak. The eyes of adult roadside hawks are whitish or yellow. As suggested by its specific name, its beak is relatively large. The roadside hawk may be marginally the smallest hawk in the widespread genus Buteo, although Ridgway's hawk and the white-rumped hawk are scarcely larger. In flight, the relatively long tail and disproportionately short wings of the roadside hawk are distinctive. It frequently soars, but does not hover. Subspecies. The subspecies and the distributions are R.M. grizzia cauda, found in Mexico south to northwest Costa Rica and West Panama. R.M. conspectus, Peters, 1913, found in southeast Mexico and North Belize. R.M. gracilis, Ridgway, 1885, found on Cozumel and Isla Holbox, near Yucatan. R.M. Sinus honjuri, found on Bonaca Island and Roatan off Honduras. R.M. petulans, Van Rossum, 1935, found in southwest Costa Rica and Pacific slope of West Panama to Tuera River and adjacent islands. R.M. alias Peters and Amp Griscom, 1929, found on San Jose and San Miguel, in Pearl Islands. R.M. magniostris, nominate, found in Colombia south to west Ecuador, east to Venezuela and the Guianas, and south to Amazonian Brazil. R.M. oxyduous bangs, 1911, found in east Peru, west Brazil and north Bolivia. R.M. saturatus, found in Bolivia, through Paraguay and southwest Brazil to west Argentina. R.M. nata-eri, found in northeast Brazil south to Bahia. R.M. magna plumus, found in south Brazil, north Argentina and adjacent Paraguay. R.M. pusharani, found in Uruguay and northeast Argentina. Range and habitat. The roadside hawk is common throughout its range, from Mexico through Central America to most of South America east of the Andes Cordillera. It is found from the northern Caribbean coast of South America south to the northeastern parts of Argentina, with the possible exception of dense rainforests. The roadside hawk is well adapted to most ecosystems in its range. It is also an urban bird, and is possibly the most common species of hawk seen in various cities throughout its range, or perhaps just the most conspicuous one, as it becomes aggressive when nesting and has been recorded attacking humans passing near the nest. Food and feeding. The roadside hawk's diet consists mainly of insects, squamates, and small mammals, such as young common marmosets and similar small monkeys, which are hunted quite often. It will also take small birds, but far less often than generalists such as the related but larger white-tailed hawk, or bird specialists like the more distantly related Aplomado falcon. Mixed species feeding flocks it encounters when hunting in open cerrado habitat are not particularly wary of it. They watch it lest the hawk come too close, but consider them hardly more of a threat than the diminutive American kestrel.